I just feel like a pumpkin. Oh, my beauty blender. All right. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. For those who don't already know me, my name is Leticia, and this is How to Beat Your Face Part 6. But the reason why it's even more exciting than normal is because I'm going to be doing a first impressions and an honest review on NIKITA's Dragun Beauty color corrector. She just launched her brand. She just launched all these products and I just got it. And apparently I think she's the first transgender person to ever come out with a makeup company. So congrats to NIKITA. But this is super exciting. I've seen a few reviews from the people who got the PR, but I'm just like really curious to see how it works on me. And if you guys have no idea what color correcting is, basically it's where you put another color on your face, to cancel out color. So like for these dark bags that I have, I don't know why I have them. I think it's genetics because I sleep a lot and I still always have bags no matter what. But you know, for dark bags, you usually put like purple, my bags are purple. You usually put like orange or red, and then that cancels it out and then like completely gets rid of the bags. And like if you have pimples that are red, then you put like green over it and stuff like that. So I have an orange color corrector. I haven't even opened the box yet, as you guys can tell. So let's open it up, see what's inside, and then start doing the makeup so we can start trying this out. So excited. Okay. Da, 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 da. Okay, it says, live your fantasies. Is that center? Okay, good. Live your fantasy, XOXO NIKITA. How cute. Okay, so open it up. Oh, she got her own currency now. Look at that. What can I buy with this, huh, NIKITA? That is so cute. Seriously, I want my own money. I don't know what you guys would buy with it, but that's just a fun idea. And then she has this beautiful picture of her. I'm gonna keep it PG for the kids. Sorry, something's in my throat. I'm gonna keep it PG for the kids, but wow. Isn't that so cool? It says, hi dragons, fire heart fantasy. I poured my heart and soul into these products and I want to thank you for joining me in this fantasy. Breathe fire, XOXO NIKITA. And here it is, and then there's just like a bunch of bubble wrap so it can come safely. All right. Dragon Fire Skin Perfecting Potion. Shake well before using. Wow, this packaging is beautiful. Can you guys see like the scales? She loves her dragons. Okay, I'm just gonna take it out. I'm not even gonna try it yet because we're gonna get into that when it's time, but just want to show you guys. I'm doing this for you guys. Okay, it's because I'm also super curious. Whoa. So it looks like this. It's actually like kind of a burnt orange. I was expecting like a light orange or more of a bright orange because the reviews I saw, it looked like really pumpkin-y on their face. But this is it. So I'm gonna put this on before my foundation and stuff, and I'm kind of scared, but okay, let's do it. Get rid of these bags. I saw everyone else putting it like in these areas. I don't know what else to do. And then I saw people putting it like right there. It's not really dark right there. I want to make it like a nice triangle. I got my wet beauty blender. Let's try to blend it out. This is definitely the weirdest makeup I've ever put on. Now I'm just gonna put on my foundation and my concealer. Hopefully I won't look orange. Scared to do like a light medium coverage foundation, so I'm just gonna go in with this LA Girl Pro Matte. Fingers are a little bit orange. It's okay. Wow. Looks like it's actually covering it. I know, I look like a mess. I'm like, where do I blend next? I don't want to just leave these dots here, so I'm going to blend this out and then I'll get to the orange. Because I don't want to start spreading the orange up here. I'm still seeing a little bit of orange right here, so I'll have to put on more foundation again. So I'm using like more foundation than I usually would use, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. I just want to make sure all the orange is covered up. That could be because I put like a ton of orange when maybe I don't need that much, but I am happy that it is getting covered up with the foundation. Alright, so I think it's mostly covered. I mean, it doesn't look super orange to me. I still do have to put on my concealer. So let's see what it looks like, because to me, honestly, what it looks like right now after just putting foundation on, it makes me feel like I look a little bit tanner. And whenever I do look a little bit more tan, then obviously like my bags aren't as noticeable because my skin is darker. But like if I'm super pale in the middle of winter, then of course my dark bags are gonna stand out more because it's like contrasted against my fair skin. But I feel like the orange kind of just is warming up my skin. I think it's helping. And I do like looking tan. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with some Tarte Shape Tape. See how like freaking pale I was? I was so pale. That's why I have this super light shade. And then here's my one from the summer. So I'm just gonna put both of these, just kind of mix it. At this point, when I've put on the concealer on top also, I think I do notice a bigger difference. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and continue on with the rest of my makeup. All right, and that's it. So with the finished look, I'm actually loving it. I think it took my makeup to a whole nother level, and I'm really proud of NIKITA because I don't know, like I know that Shape Tape is the best like concealer ever, but it would always still show my little vein, and I'm like, well, it's a vein, like how are you gonna hide that? But I don't know how she did it, but this hides it. Like, I think that my under eyes look so even toned compared to how they usually do. Let me know if you guys think that my makeup looks better than it usually does, or if I just look the same, which is still good, you know, right? I mean, I didn't look bad before, but I would definitely recommend Dragun Beauty, and I kind of want to try some of her other products now. I'm really excited. But thanks for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you click the little bell icon so that every single time I post a new video, you guys will automatically be notified, and you can be one of the first people to see it. So thanks so much for supporting me, and that's about it. All right, bye guys.
Just one small step for woman, one giant leap for womankind.
And yeah, so excuse me.